So here's the expansion valve and evaporator out of this 2006 Prius. And as you can see, this one just has a little bit of, tiny bit of shading and dust collection right here. I don't know if the camera could pick it up. Has a little bit right here, a little bit right here, and a little bit over in this corner. And this is where the oil residue is just starting to seep out from the refrigerant leak and start to gather dust. And then there's the back side where nothing has developed yet. But this was another evaporator leak. And this is the one that got the new compressor, new condenser, and of course new expand. Now look at this expansion valve. Let's go out in the sun here and take a look at this. Do you see the color difference in there? I wonder if the sun will blanket out or help it. So let me get it down here. Let me zoom in. Do you see that it looks kind of gray in there? It's not perfectly shiny. That is from when the system was losing refrigerant, and you see back in there it's not perfectly bright and shiny. It's actually black and gray down where the pinhole is, where the metering device is down there. This is when you run out of refrigerant and you stop the cooling from coming back to the compressor, and the oil lubricant stops coming back to the compressor. And that is when the first signs of burnout. So all the deposits accumulate, and when they hit right there, they deposit. This is where it comes out at, so it's cleaner on the side because it's only coming out through that little orifice. And if you look inside that little orifice, it's actually dark in the orifice, but nothing deposits on the surfaces out there. And these guys who keep filling up your cars with cans and sometimes undercharging it all the time, and allowing you to repeatedly go out and run out of refrigerant, you're gambling every time whether or not you are going to be the car with the burnt out compressor. And then you have those guys, oh, I don't see no problem. Yes, Superman, like you can see through the metal and you can see the buildup of deposits on the inside. Same with the boneheads who use shop air to look for a leak and say, oh, I don't see a problem, it worked when it left. They're the same boneheads who cause the systems to rust out from the inside later on down the road. And then their excuse is, oh, but that's later. Well, who owns the car later? Who has to spend several $1,000 bill because an idiot used shop air to look for leaks on a car? All right, that's it.